In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Milanote board. Whether you're organizing your next big project or want to revisit a successful one, being able to efficiently duplicate your boards can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, we need to open the board you're looking to duplicate. This step is crucial because you'll want to make sure you're working with the correct board before proceeding. Once you've located your target board in Milanote, simply click to open it. This will take you to the familiar workspace where all your notes, images, and ideas are stored. Now, with your board open, the next step is to find the area where you'll perform the duplication. If you're viewing the board from your boards list, you can simply right-click anywhere on the board's tile. Alternatively, if you've navigated inside the board itself, look for the Board Actions menu. This menu is your gateway to various actions you can take with your board, such as sharing, deleting, and of course, duplicating. Right-clicking or accessing this menu ensures you have the right functionality at your fingertips. After opening the Board Actions menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Duplicate, or you might see it as Make a Copy. The exact wording might vary, but it's always clear and straightforward. Selecting this option is the pivotal step, as it triggers the duplication process that creates an exact replica of your existing board. Now comes the satisfying part. Your duplicate board will appear in your workspace. It's important to note that this duplicated board is independent of the original. This means you can rename it, make changes, and even move it to a different folder without affecting the original board in any way. It's like having a fresh canvas to work with, replicating everything you had, but allowing for new adaptations, whether it's for a new project or simply a backup. Remember, duplicating boards can be incredibly useful for various reasons. You can use it to preserve the format and content of a successful project template or experiment with new ideas without fear of altering your original work. Also, consider naming your duplicated boards meaningfully, as it helps in identifying them easily within your workspace. Finally, make it a habit to organize your boards into folders, as this keeps your workspace tidy and efficient, especially as your projects grow over time. And there you have it, a simple yet valuable skill that can save you time and help you manage your projects more effectively. Thanks for watching, and hopefully, you now feel more confident in using Milanote's board duplication feature to its fullest potential.